Okay, here we go. We're getting ready to make this pineapple pretzel salad or fluff. These are the ingredients that you need. First, you're going to need about a cup of butter. I'm using margarine. I'm poor. You're going to need 2 cups of pretzels crushed. You're going to need 8 ounces of Cool Whip. You're going to need 2 20-ounce cans or 5 cups of crushed pineapple. And there's my crushed pineapple. You're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese. There that go. You're going to need a cup of sugar. There goes my sugar. And you're also going to need some vanilla pudding. Okay, I'm going to take my package of vanilla. And the first thing I am going to do is mix this vanilla with this pineapple. So I'm sprinkling the vanilla right in here. And I'm going to stir this really, really good. Now make sure you drain these pineapples because pineapples picks up more juice and more juice. And I'm going to pour this whole packet in there and mix it. And then I'm going to set it aside just while I prepare basically the crust for this dish. Ooh, I can smell the flavor. It smells delicious. Yeah. So I'm going to mix this in really, really good. Okay, we'll be back. I broke up 2 cups of pretzels and it's in a 9 by 13 pan. You can take a cup of butter or margarine and you pour it all over the pretzels. Just like this. Then you preheat your oven to 350. And once your oven is preheated to 350, you're going to put this in the oven for 10 minutes. And make sure that margarine or butter is melted and it will saturate your pretzels. And then this is going in the oven. See you in 10 minutes. Okay, I got my cream cheese in here, 8 ounces, and my cup of sugar. This really well, as you see, nice and creamy. And now I'm going to fold my whipped topping. And I'm not going to stir. I'm going to fold this into here. So I'm going to take some of this, mix it in, and just fold it. And I'm going to do that until this is all folded in. Okay, the pretzel crust has been cooled. Okay, and I folded in the whipped topping with the cream cheese that was mixed with the sugar. And now I'm going to take this and spread it over the top. This dish altogether costs $6. So this and spread it out. Go ahead and fold everything into each other and mix it all in and just call it a salad. Others spread it out like this. It just makes it more pretty dish for serving, and then cut it into squares. Then I'm going to take the pineapple thin and I'm going to put it over the top. And that's what I'm going to do. Serve it right over the top. There we go. Oh my, it smells so good, people. Look how pretty that's coming out. Look at that. This is a beautiful holiday dish. It's light, quick, easy, and it can be for the whole family. Look at that. Chill this for about an hour.